the sniffles.
You got the sniffles?
I got the sniffles.
You do too? Oh, were you saying that, or was Katie saying that?
I was saying it and Katie was saying it.
Both were saying it.
But now our sniffles have gone away. Now our sniffles are going away.
Good.
We draw. Now draw. There, draw your will.
Will you blow your nose, please? Into here. Whoa. Whoa. Wow. That is
amazing.
That is, okay, try one more time.
That is hilarious. Katie, can you make a sound like that? I'm going to get you a tissue. Can you make a sound like that? Can you make a silly sound like that? Try it. A little harder. That is a silly, silly sound.
Yeah.
Oh.
I have the sniffles.